You guys like eating your yogurt? Use your spoons. Here, JC. Use your spoon. Uh-oh. Here. There. Good girl. Good girl, JC. Jake, use your spoon. Good job, Jake. But you gotta put the other end in. Can I show you? Look. Oh, here we go. Scoop some up. There. Mmm. Good job. Good job. That's yummy yogurt.